Hi everyone, here's a quick overview of the steps needed to perform a firmware update on your Sony head unit. The model we have here is a XAV-AX210, but this process applies to most modern Sony head units and is similar to other brands as well. Things you'll need include a USB flash drive no larger than 32GB and formatted in FAT32 format. Sony recommends at least a 2GB flash drive, however, as of the last firmware update, the needed files take just over 100MB, so pretty much any USB flash drive sourced in the last 5 years should have enough space available. Next, you'll need a computer with internet access in order to download the necessary files from the Sony website. I'll include a link to the specific download section for the head unit featured in this video down below in the description. And finally, access to the USB port on your head unit. My model has it in the back and thus requires a USB extension cable to be connected to it. Some models have the USB port somewhere around the front faceplate. Alright, moving on to the steps for applying the actual firmware update. The first thing you'll need to do is to plug in your USB flash drive onto your computer and make sure it is formatted using FAT32. This is crucial as the Sony head units will not recognize other file formats. Go to the Sony or your manufacturer's website and follow the links to your specific product support page, or use their search function as needed. There should be a download section which will list any available firmware updates for your specific unit. Follow the instructions provided by the manufacturer, as these will outline the download procedure as well as explain the content of the download files and how they need to be extracted and structured on your USB flash drive. Specific to the unit in this video, a single zip file containing an update folder is downloaded and extracted onto your USB flash drive. When you browse the root folder of your USB flash drive, you should see the update folder, which contains the necessary firmware files within. Once you have completed the download and extraction process, eject your USB flash drive from your computer and move over to your vehicle. Start the vehicle up in order to ensure constant power to the head unit during the update. Insert the USB flash drive in the head unit and access the firmware update option under settings. The initial screen should display your current firmware version. If it is the same as the one you've downloaded, you can cancel out of there as it is unnecessary to run through the update process again. If it is lower, proceed with the update by selecting the update button. The next screen will confirm the update version contained in the USB flash drive. If all looks accordingly, select update once again. At this point, you should see a message indicating the update is taking place, along with a progress bar. It is very important that the head unit remain powered on, so keep your vehicle running for the duration of the process. For the Sony head unit here, the progress bar will reach 100% and the unit will automatically restart. It will immediately proceed to displaying a similar screen with a progress bar and should complete the process within a minute or two. Upon completion, the unit will boot back up and all settings will be reset back to factory settings. You will need to set your date and time as well as audio levels as desired. As a final step, you should go back into the settings and firmware version screen to confirm the update was successful. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.